If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell and the all option inside of the notification bell so you won't miss a video. Are you subscribed to Brownstown, Brown's Professional Carpet Care on YouTube? If not, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell and the all option so you definitely will not miss a post. Brownstown, I love you, and please subscribe right now. Brownstown, Brownstown. Brownstown.
Andre, Brown's Professional Carpet Care. Emergency service call about 7 o'clock this afternoon with my property management company. The tenants who was moving in, they move in tomorrow actually, and the tenants who was previously here, they didn't get the carpets cleaned that they were supposed to. So I'm here now. Third job of the day, guys. Brownstown, we're going in so you can see exactly what we've got to do.
If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell, all options inside the notification bell so you won't miss a video.
All my Brownstown vets,
Smash
the like button right now so we're going to go in so you can see exactly what we got to do. And starting with an empty canister so I can get back home to my family. I'm scared of the dark. Brownstown. Warping time. Andre, Brown's Professional Carpet Care, had an emergency service call about 7 o'clock this afternoon with my property management company. Tenants who was moving in, they move in tomorrow actually, and the tenants who was previously here, they didn't get the carpets cleaned that they were supposed to. Third job of the day, guys. Brownstown, we're going in so you can see exactly what we've got to do.
If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell, all options inside the notification bell so you won't miss a video.
All my Brownstown vets,
Smash
the like button right now so we're going to go in so you can see exactly what we got to do. And starting with an empty canister so I can get back home to my family. I'm scared of the dark. Brownstown.
Warping time. Brownstown.
Woo, where are my shoes? All right. So, of course, we're going to start with an empty canister. But I'm going to show you what I got to do first. Here's the room. Of course, you see it's nighttime, guys. First area here. Second area where my shoes didn't warped all over the place. This hallway. And this. Holy moly, is that a ghost? Hello? I know you guys heard the vacuum start. Hello?
Why are you taking such long strokes?
Follow us on Instagram. Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Come in this Lord. Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Brownstown. Holy moly! On Instagram. Go ahead and get the cleaning agent together, guys. Break. Follow us on Instagram. Those areas there that are heavily soiled. So Brownstown, it's amazing to have somebody working with me. I can record and talk to you guys at the same time and show you some amazing carpet lines. Workhorse-y. Hey, look at my workhorse. Go to my baby. Follow us on it. But Brownstown, thank you guys so much for subscribing. These carpet lines are looking amazing, guys. These vacuum lines. So I'm gonna go in so I can get the cleaning agent together. Look at that workhorse. Holy moly! Oh yeah. Holy moly!
Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the, this is so, oh guys, if I have my fiance with me doing videos, the videos will be incredible. And I think I would get a whole lot more views if she's on there with me. But she has a working job, she's working. So sometimes she's able to come out with me on jobs like this, and sometimes she's not. But I'm just glad she's here with me tonight. It's kind of dark, guys. But that was kind of spooky how I set that up with the workhorse starting up. She actually scared me for real. But Brownstown, I know it's kind of dark. I'm sorry about that. Brownstown, I'm going to go in with the cleaning agent. Whew. All right, let's go. Warping time!
Brownstown. Oh, these warps. Oh, they're so dangerous, Brownstown. Holy moly. Oh, let me spray my cleaner down, guys. Holy moly. Jeez. Woo. All right. Holy moly. The carpets. That was a nice vacuum. Holy moly. These areas. Follow us on Instagram. In there. So let's dump it out, guys. Brownstown. Holy moly. Holy moly. That was a nice vacuum, guys. Holy moly. Wow. Holy moly. Woo. Let's dump it out. Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram. Holy moly.
Is it starting? Is the camera on? All right.
Brownstown.
Your arm's tired?
Follow us on Instagram. Brownstown. Helping me out, as I told you guys outside. Follow us on Instagram. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at Brownstown. Traffic area. Wear and tear, guys. Holy moly.
The cleaning agent.
Cleaning agent, excuse me. It's still a chemical.
Chemical just sounds harsh.
Oh, concoction.
That's even worse. Alright, so Brownstown, while I'm finishing up the... Wait, this is kind of cool, not even having to hold the camera on my hand, so...
While I am
Follow us on Instagram.
getting ready to finish the cleaning agent Brownstown,
Why are you walking?
I'm going to start the raking process.
Follow us on Instagram.
All right, Brownstown, so now we're about to get ready for the raking, and I'm going to finish up the cleaning agent.
Brownstown.
I think you have the wrong shoes on for carpet cleaning.
Follow us on Instagram.
Holy moly.
Brownstown.
Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly.
That was for all the holy moly haters out there. There's a very distinct smell that's in here too, guys. I don't know if they had pets, or it's coffee, or smoke. I don't know what it is, but the smell is very pungent. I already talked to the property manager. See if they want me to add any type of pet urine enzymes or something for the smoke smell. Whew. Of course I could have pulled the CRB out, but a lot of wear and tear, guys. It's still coming out. And still cleaning. I already cleaned that area, but you can still see some wear and tear. It's not dirt, guys. See the wear and tear, but you can see the difference though. So Brownstown, if you're new, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell on all options inside the notification bell.
That light is bright.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the day, the vlog of the night. So Brownstown, I love you so much. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired. Keep on walking to the path that you need to walk through to get to where you want to go in life. So with that being said, Brownstown, of course, I love you from the bottom of my heart, which is a new shirt. Look really good, and I appreciate you for subscribing. Now, thank you, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
But wait, chocolate milk. Holy moly.
Yep. Look at that. That was dirty. And it stinks, guys. Holy moly, that stinks. Brownstown, see you in the next vlog. Holy moly. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, you are? Oh, sorry. All right.
This comes to the end of today's vlog.
Hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button right now.